So I guess you use your computer for everything, right? Entertainment and work? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the For Your PC 12-in-1 dock. It's a dock that does multiple 4K resolutions, and it's also got tons of plugs for charging things, and it's got a sweet little screen on it. Right here, all the stuff shows up right here. It says what resolution you're in, also how much power you're generating. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at this For Your PC 12-in-1 dock right here. But before we look at this, cable overkill. Look at all this stuff you're going to get. And it also comes with a USB-C cable, and pay attention because this is a thicker, higher data transfer rate gauged USB-C right here. So you'll need this better USB-C cable to plug into the back of the host port and into your laptop to get the HDMI to work. So do pay attention. You'll need this thicker cable, which is included. But then you're going to have your choice of plugs. So whether in the UK, EU, or doing Australia, or you're just based in the US, they're going to have all the cables you need. And now back to the docking station. Look at this thing. It's got so many different ports on it right here. We got HDMI 1 and 2 and an Ethernet port. We've got USB 2.0. We've also got USB-C. And then here's what's crazy. Look at the front. USB-C, 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 USB-A. And also this USB-A right here too. But once powered up, this screen will load all kinds of details telling you what kind of rates of speed you are charging devices at, and also what resolutions and stuff you're in as well. So power consumption and resolutions, this thing is awesome. Let's go try it out. This is the For Your PC 160W GaN 12-in-1 dock with power and resolution display. It's got built-in power supply, so no external adapter needed, powering multiple devices effortlessly. It's got a real-time charging and resolution display, so you can monitor power delivery and video output status at a glance. Full screen front display, so sleek visuals and a refined premium feel with dual 4K extended displays, and it's got enhanced heat dissipation, so better reliability and safer operation. So it's designed to make your workspace cleaner and more powerful. So as I mentioned, 12-in-1 USB-C docking station with built-in 160W GaN charger, dual 4K display, and real-time power and resolution display. And that's with a maximum output of 100 watts and multiple voltage current option. USB-A port provides a 12 watt, so it's ideal for headphones, smartwatches, or other low power accessories. Because smart multi-port collaboration for efficiency, so when using the multiple ports, the dock intelligently balances the power. Because the power supply is built directly into the docking station, charging is as simple as connecting a cable to the AC port. So no bulky external chargers are required. For global chargers, the dock supports international use with interchangeable plug standards. You'll have 4 different options to pick from US, EU, UK, and AU. Simple, convenient, and globally compatible. The integrated intelligent screen offers real-time power tracking for up to 4 individual devices, plus a clear readout of total power consumption. A dedicated button lets you instantly toggle display info, viewing HDMI resolution, refresh rate, and audio output specifications at a glance. Optimal 4K quality and audio compatibility. Its power and performance clearly displayed, effortlessly managed. The 2 HDMI 2.0 ports support ultra clear 4K at 60 Hz, output with HDR10, HDCP 1.4/2.3, and 192 kilowatts of stereo audio. Editing documents on one and streaming video on the other, or enjoying smooth 4K gaming and movies. This setup transforms your desk into a high-efficiency workstation and an entertainment hub. And 2 USB-A ports supporting the USB 3.1 Gen 2 10 gigabytes per second and USB 2.0 at 480 megabytes per second. This docking station lets you connect keyboards, mice, printers, and high-speed drives all at once, lag free. And did I mention it's got a built-in RJ45 Ethernet port that supports 10, 100, and 1000 megabyte per second speed. Perfect for live streaming, large downloads, and office multitasking. For your PC, this thing is loaded. This thing is jam-packed with so many amazing features. I've got to say, great job. This thing is phenomenal. It's got so much power behind it, and the fact that it also loads everything and shows you what speeds you're charging at and also what resolutions you're putting out is just mwah! We want to give a huge shout out to For Your PC for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.